a small village at the edge of the forest. One day, Oliver decided to embark on a journey to a distant town to sell his goods. He loaded his donkey with sacks of wheat, a cage of chickens, and a pouch of coins. As the sun began to set, Oliver and his animal companions, the donkey, the chicken, and the monkey, walked along the forest path. The sounds of the woods filled the air as they made their way through the dense foliage. Suddenly, a loud roar echoed through the trees, causing Oliver and his animals to freeze in fear. A majestic lion emerged from the shadows, its golden mane shimmering in the fading light. Oliver's heart raced as he tried to think of a way to protect himself and his companions. The lion approached them slowly, its eyes scanning each of them in turn. But to Oliver's surprise, the lion did not seem aggressive. In fact, it appeared to be hesitant and almost fearful. The donkey brayed nervously, the monkey chattered in agitation, and the chicken clucked anxiously. Oliver held his breath, unsure of what to expect next. As the lion drew closer, Oliver noticed a look of trepidation in its eyes. It seemed to be wary of the man and his unusual group of animals. Oliver slowly extended his hand in a gesture of peace, hoping to show the lion that they meant no harm. To his amazement, the lion stopped in its tracks and sniffed the air cautiously. After a moment of tense silence, a mumble of acknowledgement, and turned to leave, disappearing into the darkness of the forest. Oliver and his companions let out a collective sigh of relief, grateful that the encounter with the lion had ended peacefully. They continued on their journey, their bond strengthened by the shared moment of fear and understanding. As they reached the town, Oliver sold his goods and returned home with a sense of gratitude for the magical encounter with the lion. From that day on, he knew that fear could be a powerful force, but so too could courage, compassion, and the ability to find common ground even in the most unexpected of circumstances. And he cherished the memory of the lion who, despite its fearsome reputation, had shown a surprising vulnerability and a shared sense of respect for all creatures, big and small.